Engaging visuals of money growing. Are you tired of your money just sitting in your bank earning close to nothing? Well, what if I told you there's a way to make your savings work for you without any risk? In this video, I'll show you how a high-yield savings account, Hysa, can boost your savings and which ones offer the best rates in 2025. Stick around because I'll also share a pro tip to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. What is a high-yield savings account? A high-yield savings account, Hysa, is just like a regular savings account, but with a much higher interest rate. While most traditional banks offer around 0.01% interest, and Hysa can offer 4% or even more. This means if you have $10,000 in savings, you could earn $400 a year instead of just $1 at a regular bank. That's free money. Why you need an Hysa in 2025. With inflation eating away at your savings, leaving money in a low-interest account means you're losing purchasing power over time. A high-yield savings account helps your money keep up with inflation while staying 100% safe, since these accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000. Plus, Hysas are super easy to access. You can transfer money in and out whenever needed, unlike CDs or long-term investments. Best high-yield savings accounts. Right now. Now, you might be wondering, which banks offer the best Hysa rates? Here are some top options. Bank No. 1, Landing Club Bank, interest rate 4.75% APY. Bank Name 2, Brio Direct, interest rate 4.75% APY. Bank Name 3, Bread Savings, interest rate 4.65% APY. These banks offer no monthly fees, easy access, and strong security. How to choose the right Hysa. Before you open an account, check for 1. High APY. The higher, the better. 2. No monthly fees. Don't let fees eat into your earnings. 3. Easy transfers, so you can move money when needed. 4. FDIC insurance. Ensures your money is protected. Call to action. So, are you ready to grow your savings faster and smarter? Open a high-yield savings account today and start earning more on your money. Comment below with your favorite Hysa. Like and subscribe for more smart money tips.